FEFDY.
Addition. Hello kids! We are going to learn basic addition. Addition means adding the numbers. Let's add the chocolate in your hands. How many chocolates do we have in our left hand? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 chocolates in our left hand. How many chocolates do we have in our right hand? Count it. 1, 2. We have 2 chocolates in our right hand. Let's add all together. Guess who I am? Yes, I am the plus symbol. Let's add now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 chocolates. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Let's get started. 1, 2, 2 hats. Plus 1, 2, 3, 3 hats. Let's add all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally we have 5 hats. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ants plus 1 ant. Let's add all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally we have 5 ants. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 keys. Plus 1 key. Let's add all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally we have 6 keys. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6.